Hello, glad to see you on our channel. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey through the vast expanses of the solar system. Along the way, I'll tell you interesting facts about our amazing space neighbors. Ready to learn more about the world we live in? Then let's get started. The first point on our journey is the center of the solar system. The Sun is our star, and it has a mass 30,000 times that of the Earth. The Sun is the brightest object in the sky, thanks to which we can enjoy daylight and tan. Light from the Sun to the Earth takes about 8 minutes to reach us. So we see the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago. This star helps us tell time and direction on Earth, and some animals even use its light to navigate. It also releases solar wind streams that create magnificent northern and southern lights at the Earth's poles. The solar wind that comes from the Sun creates a barrier called solar wind shock. This barrier protects the solar system from most cosmic rays from interstellar space. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss a lot of interesting facts about space. And we continue. Further, our journey takes us to the planets. The closest to the Sun is Mercury, the hottest and fastest of the planets, but despite this, it is the smallest. Due to the fact that Mercury is next to the Sun, it is very hot there. The sunny side warms up to 427 degrees. At the same time, the temperature drops rapidly in the shade. The minimum mark that scientists were able to fix is 193 degrees C. One of the most interesting facts is the length of the day on the planet. From sunrise to sunrise on Mercury, as many as 17.6 Earth days pass. The next planet, Venus, is covered in a thick atmosphere that creates a terrifying greenhouse effect. Venus has such a high albedo that on a moonless night it can cast a shadow on Earth. The atmosphere of Venus is 96.5% carbon dioxide, and the temperature on the surface of Venus reaches 475 degrees Celsius, which is higher than the melting point of lead. The mass of the Venusian atmosphere is 93 times greater than that of the Earth. The third planet in a row is the Earth, but we will return to it a little later. The fourth planet from the Sun is Mars. Its surface is strewn with impressive valleys, craters, and even mountains. The Martian polar caps are made up of a perpetual frosty surface and frozen CO2. One of the most amazing aspects of Mars is its huge volcanoes, such as Mount Olympus, the highest mountain in the solar system. Mars may also hide traces of former water and possibly traces of biological activity. An elephant on Mars will weigh less than on Earth, all because of the weak force of gravity. If an elephant weighing 5,000 kilograms went to Mars, then there it would weigh about 1,900 kilograms. Ancient scientists believed that this is a star that has a reddish hue. In ancient Egypt, the planet was simply called red, in China Firestar, and Roman astronomers gave the name in honor of the god of war Mars. This name has come down to us. The age of Mars is approximately 4.65 billion years. I note that the Earth is a little younger. The diameter of the planet is almost half that of the Earth. In order to make a trip around the world on Mars, moving constantly at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it will take only 9 days. Next, the giants of the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet with many moons and cloud bands. Jupiter, due to its powerful gravity, acts as a kind of shield, partially protecting the Earth from comets because it simply attracts them to itself. The volume of Jupiter is 1,300 times the volume of the Earth, and gravity is 2.5 times greater than the Earth's. A day on Jupiter is 10 Earth hours, and a year is 12 Earth years. By the way, Jupiter also has rings like Saturn, but what is known about it? Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings of ice and rocks. Saturn has a distinct change of seasons. One season lasts more than 7 Earth years. There are 53 satellites orbiting around it, and there are probably more of them, just not all of them, have been discovered yet. The famous rings of Saturn were discovered by astronomers in 1610s. Saturn is not exactly spherical. The speed of its rotation is so great that it flattens itself. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants, covered in atmospheric layers of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, and Uranus lies on its side, spinning almost around its poles. Now, as promised, let's return to the planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only one in the solar system that has an oxygen atmosphere, oceans of liquid water, and biological life. In total, There are 4 Earth-like planets in the solar system. In addition to the Earth, these are Mercury, Venus, and Mars. On the surface of each of them, there are rocks. The Earth is not a sphere, more precisely, not a perfect ball, due to the daily rotation. It is flattened from the poles, therefore, in geodesy and astronautics, our planet is called not a ball, but an ellipsoid or geoid that's more precise. It seems to you that you are standing still, but in fact, you are rotating in outer space at a speed of 1,609 kilometers per hour. People living at the equator move as fast as possible, while polar explorers at both poles practically stand still. And around the Sun, the Earth rotates even faster at a speed of 107,806 kilometers per hour. The age of the Earth is 4.54 billion years. Scientists have established the age of our planet by dating the oldest rocks and meteorites that fell to Earth, even when the solar system was just being formed. The surface under our feet is the result of recycling, as with garbage. Magma from the bowels of the planet solidifies in the form of rock. Tectonic processes raise it to the surface, where it is gradually destroyed by erosion. The smallest fragments of rocks burn out, and the pressure from above compacts them into sandstone. Our journey ends with the mysterious objects of the solar system, like asteroids, the Kuiper Belt, and the Oort cloud. Asteroids are debris left over from the formation of planets, and the Kuiper Belt is home to distant icy objects, including Pluto. The Oort cloud is a potential source of comets that beckon us with their beauty and mysteries. These little studied regions of the solar system provide us with new mysteries and opportunities for discovery, helping us better understand the origin and evolution of our cosmic homeland. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through our solar system. If you learned something new or saw something amazing, don't forget to share your impressions in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new videos to keep learning more about the wonders of space.